This is a dish with a little kick, but it's really simple. Cajun chicken with baked Albert Bartlett Apache potatoes. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees centigrade, gas mark 6. Mix together equal measures of cayenne pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika and black pepper. This makes a perfect low-salt Cajun spice mix. If you wish, make up a large batch and keep it in a sealed jar for future use as well. Pop the washed Apache potatoes on a baking tray and bake for 15 minutes until cooked through. Meanwhile, cut the chicken breast into strips, place in a small non-stick frying pan, along with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of the Cajun spice mix. Fry the chicken off until thoroughly cooked through and lovely and crispy. Serve the chicken on top of the baked Apache potatoes with a dollop of creme fraiche and a large colourful salad on the side. I like to sprinkle with a bit of mint too.